Kia ora, malolele, Olivia here from Clan Innes Library. Today we are going to learn the Tongan vowels, and we got 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Say it again. A, E, I, O, U. So now we are going to put those vowels into a Tongan words. Let's see. A, apere, E, elefanite, I, hika, O, otai, and U for uma. And our story goes like this. There were 5 little vowels went out one day over the hills and far away. Tongan vowel says, ah, 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 ah. Ah came running back, looking for Apele. Have you seen Apele? Where? Here? Oh, there you go, Apele. E, I, O, U. 4 little vowels went out one day over the hills and far away. Tongan vowel says, E, 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 E. E came running back looking for Elefanite. Have you seen Elefanite? Where? Here. Oh, there you go, Elefanite. I, O, U. 3 little vowels went out one day over the hills and far away. Tongan vowel says, I, 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 I. I came running back looking for Ika. Have you seen Ika? Where? Here? Oh, there you go, Ika. O, U. 2 little vowels went out one day over the hills and far away. Tongan vowel says, O, 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 O. O came running back, so thirsty, want to eat the otai meleni. Have you seen the cup of otai? Where? Here? Oh, there you go, otai. U. 1 little vowel went out one day over the hills and far away. Tongan vowel says, U, 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 U. U came running back, looking for me to give me a big uma. Mwah. Now we can say our vowels again. A, apele, E, elefanite, I, hika, O, otai, U for uma. Mwah. Now you can give someone special today a big uma, and here's my uma for you. Mwah. Ofatu, Olivia.